What's up, shoppers? Welcome back to Deal Insider. In today's videos, we are diving into the biggest Prime Big Deal days happening right now on Amazon, where you can scroll massive saving on top products in the UK, USA, Canada, and Spain. Whether you are shopping for tech, beauty, or home appliance, I have got you covered with the must have deals. So let's get right into it. Apple AirPods are down to $130 in the USA, major drop from the original $169. Yes, and V8 cordless vacuum cleaner gives you 26% off. Candle Kitchen Spice Large that gives you 46% off. It's very amazing deal. Magic Bullet Blender 11 gives you 39% off. That good. And Chris 3D White Strips gives you 35% off. That good. And the Rational Serums gives you 27% off. That is most demanding product. And iRobot Romba Robot Vacuum gives you 15% off. Its original price is $249, but they give you to $11. And the next product is Shark Navigator Vacuum Cleaner. It's very demanding product. Shark Navigator Vacuum Cleaner gives you 27% off. Shark Vacuum Cleaner for getting that deep clean before the holiday. Amazing. Your eye on an Apple Watch, save $100 on the Series 9, gives you 24% discount. The original price is $329, but they give you $249 in Prime Big Deal. Apple AirPod and Apple iPad Mini, that's also very amazing deal. They give you 30% discount on Apple AirPod and Apple iPad Mini. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer 23%. Love your coffee? Look out for major saving on Nespresso machine. It's very amazing deal. They give you 15% off, and this is very beautiful machine that makes your kitchen more beautiful and amazing. Lot so there you have it. These are just a few of top deals from Amazon Prime Big Deal Days across the UK, USA, Canada, and Spain. Whether you are upgrading your tech, stocking up on beauty essentials, or snagging the latest kitchen beauties, this is the perfect time to shop and save. Don't forget the sale run from October 8 to October 9th, so be sure to grab these deals while they last. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Deal Insider for more amazing saving tips and products review. Happy shopping.